Look, read and say.
It's midnight. It's 12 o'clock. They're sleeping. It's 8 o'clock. They're having breakfast. It's 1 o'clock. They're at school. It's 6 o'clock. They're helping their father.
Pair word. Look at the clocks in activity B. What are you doing at those times?
At midnight, I'm sleeping.
Read and say.
One hour. One day.
Read and say.
60 seconds, 1 minute. 60 minutes, 1 hour. 24 hours, 1 day. There are 60 seconds in a minute. There are 60 minutes in an hour.
Ask and answer.
Example. How long is your English class? It's 35 minutes.